ever feel like you're a bouncing ball, lobbing back and forth from one task to the other? It's hard to do important work when other things need your attention and you're forced to multitask. What's worse is, as good as you may think you are at multitasking, you, and me included, are not. Deep work stands in sharp contrast to the behavior of most modern knowledge workers. So what exactly is deep work? It's the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. It's a skill that allows you to quickly master complicated information and produce better results in less time. Unfortunately, knowledge workers are continuing to lose their familiarity with deep work. And the research suggests that it is network or social tools that may be at fault. Now, this is a broad category that captures communication services like email and text messaging, social media networks like Twitter and Facebook, and other infotainment sites. The rise of these tools, combined with always-on, ever-easy access to them through smartphones and computers, has really fragmented most workers' attention into slivers. Bottom line, it's really hard to stay focused. In fact, there's a McKinsey study that found that average knowledge worker spends more than 60% of the work week engaged in electronic communication and internet searching, with close to 30% of a worker's time dedicated to reading and answering email alone. I know that drives me crazy. And frankly, I bet it could even be more. What's clear to me is that this state of fragmented attention cannot continue. It's simply too much for most people to absorb. So I want you to try these two things to really regain your what I call deep work mojo. First, quit or reduce social media engagement. Now, I know that's going to be very, very hard to do for some of you, while others are going to see that as a welcome relief. We all know that these services are engineered to be addictive. They rob time and attention from activities that more directly support your professional and personal goals. Now, if we want to maximize our outcomes, then we need to minimize the noise. Second, and probably most important, is to make doing deep work a habit. You have a finite amount of willpower that becomes depleted as you use it. The key to developing a deep work habit is to move beyond good intentions and add routines and rituals to your schedule. The goal here is to minimize the amount of your limited willpower as necessary to transition into and maintain a state of unbroken concentration. Now, once it's routine, you don't need such willpower to do it. But as Nike says, just do it. Stop. Take a breath. Give your brain a break. Clear out your schedule. Give yourself the freedom to forget about those other things. Because if they really were that important, you'd be working on them right now. Deep work will make you better at what you do and provide the sense of true fulfillment that comes from craftsmanship. Immerse yourself in the work that only you can do to drive your career, your business, or your life forward. You will be amazed at how accomplished you feel.